Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is John Debo. In this Facebook ad experience tutorial series, I'll be showing you how to fund your Facebook ad account with your Naira Debit card in few clicks. So if you have not funded your Facebook ad before, or you have never run Facebook ad before, this video is for you. And if this is the first time of you coming across my YouTube channel or my video, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified as I drop videos in this video tutorial series. Don't forget that this is Facebook ad experience with John Debo. Let's go to my Facebook right now so that I will show you how to fund your Facebook ad, and at the end of the video tutorial you will be able to use your MasterCard or debit card or Visa card to successfully fund your Facebook ad account and begin to run your ad. Let's go there. Okay, so this is your Facebook app. Okay, your Facebook, this is how your Facebook is. And then you have to locate your page. Remember, this is not Facebook account, this is Facebook page. Okay, so this Facebook page is not in the account. You click here. Good. So this is like a special page. Okay, it's a business page for Litton Brown, as you can see it. Then you scroll. The first step is to locate a particular the first step is to locate a post. You have to locate a post. Okay, so let's use this post here. This is a business post in the page. Okay. Right, so now they have located the post. You will see boost again. Okay, boost again means that this post you have been running ad on it. Your own will be boost post, not boost again. So whatever is written on your own doesn't matter. So click on it. Good. Then you come to this platform. Now don't forget that our goal in this video is to show you how to fund your Facebook ad account. So you go straight to add money. You will see payment method, you will see add money. Already what we have available balance here is 27 Naira 50 kobo. So you will see add money. Click on add money. Alright, you will see add payment method. You see debit or credit, and you see Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card. This is so you have to move it from where it is now and put it here. Facebook is partnering with AU to fund the account. Now, let me explain a few things here. Don't do the mistake of using this first method. Don't make the mistake of using this first method, because let me show you what is obtainable here. If you click this first method, it will warrant you to link your card to Facebook here. Have you seen it? It will ask you to put your card name here, put your card number, put your your card details, and then that means your card will be linked to Facebook. And then if you can, you are free at this point. You are free to run ad as much as you can, but at the end of the month they will not tell you when they will deduct it directly from your account. So it is not advisable, because it's not totally within your control. Now, this is what I advise you to do. Funding. That funding means this one is not funding, this one is linking. I'm teaching you funding, not linking. Now in funding, what we are doing is that you are going to determine how much you want to put on this your ad account. Then you run from the amount you funded. But this other one, you are just running ads, and at the end of the month they'll calculate how much you have spent and deduct it from your account. You will only get debit alert, and any amount they deduct, there's nothing you can do about it. So let's move on. Click on Naira payment with MasterCard and then say next. Say next, then you wait. Good. You now decide how much you want to fund your account. Okay, so let's use 3,000 Naira for example. Then you add 3,000 Naira here, 3,000 Naira here. Okay, so you now say next, then you wait. Good. Open with Chrome or Firefox, depending on the browser you have. This is compulsory. You have to open it with a browser on your phone, meaning that you're expected to have Firefox or Chrome on your phone. Then you say click to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Please note that the payment page will open. So this is an instruction, but what you're required to do here is simple. Just click continue and then wait. Please follow this instruction strictly. Remember, we're talking about money here. So this is 3,000. Click on card. Good. Then you add your card number here, add your card name here, add your amount and the expiring date. Okay. Yeah, I think the information I want to use is already here, so I'm going to select my own. It's already here. This is the card number, and then the card name. Okay, so this information are important information, so I'm going to cover them up. I'm going to cover them up because anybody that gets access to it can hack your account. So I'm going to cover them up during editing. Now say pay. Please note, click on pay. Now they are going to send the OTP one time password, which you are going to quickly copy and then continue. But unfortunately, transaction was unsuccessful. So I'm going to pause this video and try it again until the network is good. Because this when you see transaction unsuccessful, no, it's not your fault, and it's not most times it's not even from the fault of a network. It's from the Facebook back end. Then what you will do, don't panic. What you will do is you leave it for that moment and then try it maybe after 30 minutes or after an hour. And sometimes if it doesn't go in the morning, you can go in the afternoon or you can go in the night. This is from my experience. Welcome back to the video. So this is now afternoon and I want to try funding the account again. So this time around, let me put how much now? Let me put 6,500. Okay. All right. So remember to select payment with MasterCard. Okay. And then next, let's be hopeful that the network is okay, because this is now afternoon. That first one was in the morning. Open with Chrome or Firefox browser on your phone. Continue. Alright, you wait patiently. Alright, so you select card, then card number. Okay, I will select my card number. Card holder name, select card holder name. Then you put your CVV number, the secret code, and then you wait. Wait. Good. It's working now. It's working. So now you will come to this place where you have to authenticate it. Okay, then we're going to send the OTP. Select phone. Prefer phone. That's the phone number. I will be expecting the OTP. OTP means one-time password. The password will come now. Yeah, it has come. You copy the number. You may carry it on your head. If you don't carry it, there's no problem. You come here and click copy. This one-time password, put it here. Okay. See, it says submit. Now let's see whether it will be successful. Let's see whether it will be successful. If it's successful, I will get a debit. Correct. Your transaction was successful. Wait, don't touch anything. Just wait. Don't touch anything. Good. Good. So they are successful. Debited me. Okay. So look at the next thing you will do. You minimize. When you minimize, you remove this Chrome. Good. Then you come here. Then cancel. Cancel. See this X? Cancel here. Yeah. Now go back and check the account again. Remember, it was 27 Naira. Now it's 6,527 Naira. Because it was 27 Naira 51 kobo before. So now it's 6,527 Naira 50 kobo. So this is how to successfully fund your account. Now, if you want to run ad now, you will now run ad with this balance, available balance you have here, and not linking your card to the Facebook platform, because I don't recommend that. Okay, I've done it before and I've seen it's very dangerous. So I've gotten a debit of 6,500 from Access Bank. So this is how to successfully fund your account. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to now run ads, because you cannot run ad if you don't have your ad account funded. Okay, so the ad account we are using here is Naira Debit. That's the ad account. There are other, if you open it up, you will see there are other ad accounts here. So I also show you how to create ad account. So subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell icon, ask your question in the comment section of this video on YouTube or on Facebook, wherever you see this video, and I will answer you. And if your question requires me to make another video, I will make another video. Okay, so until I come your way next time, go ahead and implement this and let me know the challenges you face. Let me know the results that you have gotten. I want to hear that you followed this video and was able to fund your account successfully. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.